Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually delete your Mastodon account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and if you have already done so, thank you so much. And yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, first of all, you got to go to your Mastodon app. So once your app is open, you will see this kind of interface right there. So you will see this little gear icon, settings icon on top right corner right there. So what you will do is you will simply tap on that gear icon given right there, and then you can see this kind of interface will pop up. So you will go ahead, scroll down, we will simply see this account settings option here. So you will simply tap on that account settings, and as you can see, this kind of interface will pop up in the browser of your mobile phone. So what you will do, you will simply scroll down and then you will be able to see this delete account option right there given. So as you can see, if you want to delete your account, you can proceed here. You will be asked for confirmation. So if you tap on delete account right there, tap on this proceed here, and you can see account deletion. Before proceeding, please read these notes carefully. So if you can read it if you would like to, but if you really want to delete anyways, you can just go ahead and enter your password right there, enter your current password that you have, and tap on this delete account given in the red box, and you will simply be able to delete your account right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.